Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you display date and time on iPhone home screen. So guys, to put date and time like these two, you can just add widgets to your home screen. So to put this kind of widgets to your home screen, just long press on an empty space just like here and click the top left this plus icon. Now scroll down and here you can see clock. If you want to put clock widgets, just click on here. There are so many kind of widgets here, you can see. Just choose your accordingly. To select, you need to click the bottom add widget like this. And if you want to set the calendar widget, just again go there. Now you can just scroll down or you can just search in the top search bar for calendar. Here you can see calendar. All of the calendar widgets will be in front of you. You can put this and click the bottom add widget. Click the top right done. And by this way you can just display date and time on iPhone home screen. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.